Hey everybody, welcome back to NSB. So, we're winding down on this little tractor. Pretty much got a lot painted. Let me show you what we got here. So there's pretty much all the front end. Got everything scattered across the shop. Got the back half pretty much done. I got the back wheels rebuilt. Had to do a lot of welding on one of them. They're all done. That tank is just sitting on there for right now. We have the motor on the engine stand ready to go on. I redid the wheels on the front. One of them I had to weld up, which is this one right here. You can see the big patch I put in. This is where the valve stem went through, and it just made a big old square hole, rotted out. Everything else is nice, so I had to put a patch in it. It come out not too bad. A few little pinholes there, but it's back to normal. So I'm gonna drill a new hole down here. Stay away from that spot. Put a new hole here for the valve stem and get the tires back on it. As far as what I have to do now, I've got two pieces in that pile, which is the exhaust manifold and intake manifold. I'm gonna paint it. I gotta take the carburetor off. I'm gonna strip this red paint off of it. Then this big pin that holds the front end on, I've got to get it painted, cleaned up, painted, and I've got another pile right here. That's my fan, my bimini top brackets, the hand crank, and my Auga horn. I'm gonna get all of them painted up. Oh, and I got my radiator support, actually the front support for the front grill. I got to get it painted. And once all that's done, I've got one more pile which is bolts. Any bolts that I reuse, as far as original bolts, they all get painted black, kind of like all these bolts here. There's the front end bolts, motor and transmission bolts. I got the front wheels, holds the front wheels on bolts. All of them are there. They're all been painted. So, all that being said, oh, one more thing. Hold on. The other thing, I did get one more box of parts in. Just came in today. And a lot of it's some electronics to rebuild my distributor cap. And the big piece, y'all seen me on the last video, or one of the couple videos ago, where I had to heat up, it had a crack. These are my new steering knuckles in the front. Ordered two of them. So I've got those. I'm just going to go ahead and replace them with the brand new ones. That other one had cracks in it. Got me a steering wheel knob. My other one was rotten. A new magneto cap for the coil. Only thing I didn't get was a new magneto coil itself. I may order that. Right now the tractor was running when I drove it in here. I'm going to start it on all the old stuff, get everything running, and once I get it running, then I'm going to take the magneto back off the motor, because it's pretty easy, 2 bolts. And I'm going to go through it and rebuild the whole thing. Put all this new stuff on it. Then I should be able to put it right back on. It should start right back up. Fingers crossed. That's pretty much everything that I got in that box. So I've got everything. So the next step, we're gonna get my 2 tires and tube back in. I did taking these two tires off on these rims. The rust inside that one rim that had the square hole, it had cut the tube, so I messed up one of the tubes. So I went down to TSC, went down to TSC, bought 2 brand new tubes for the front. So we're gonna put the tires back on these wheels, get that done, and we'll get this stuff painted, this extra stuff painted. That way everything's finished. At that point, all I have to do is bolt it together. So let's get started on the, actually I think I'm gonna start on getting this painted because it's hot outside and it'll dry pretty quick. Then I'll do the tubes. All the tie rods on. I got full travel. A little tight that way. She goes full travel that way. Hits the stops. Gotta get all these tight now. Squares are moving a little bit on me. So, got the motor on, the front end all put on. I just got it aligned out with tape measure. New knuckles on. That's gonna be all for this video. Hopefully the next one maybe we'll have it running. Until next time.